Hello and welcome to the Math for Fun, and in this video I'm going to show you how do you convert from verbal expression to algebraic expression. Here we have 10 less than 14. So if I ask you to give me a number that is 10 less than 14, you're going to give me 4, right? Because you will be doing 14 minus 10, which is 4. So remember, when we have the statement less than, just flip the expression. Do the second one minus the first one. So do 14 minus 10. So if I ask you to convert the expression 4 less than x, so you're going to say x minus 4. That's good. Let's look at that. Here we have half of 16. Half means the number is divided by 2, or let's say 0.5 times that number. So, or we can write it like half, 1 over 2, of, which is times 16. Or we can say 16 divided by 2. All of them work. Let's look at that. The quotient of a number and 6. The quotient means division. So the quotient of a number, which means the number, we are going to consider it as x, n, m, whatever you want. So write x divided by 6. Or you can write it x over 6 because we have quotient. Let's look at that. Here we have v squared. What do we mean by squared? We mean to the power of 2. How do we write it? We write v and we put a power of 2. Look at that. T more than 9. Like if I ask you to give me a number which is 2 more than 9, you're going to give me 11, which is 9 plus 2. So here we have t more than 9. So what do you say? You say 9 plus t. What about that? We have 3 cubed. So cubed means to the power of 3. So what do we write? We write 3 to the power of 3. What about this? The quotient of 24 and 8. Quotient means division, which means that we have to say 24 divided by 8, or we can write it in the linear mode like 24 divided by 8. What about the sum? The sum of 2 and 12, which means that we have to do 2 plus 12. Why? Because plus sign means the sum. Look at this. You are learning the terms. Sum means plus. Quotient means division. Product means what? So the product of 5 and x, this means that we have to multiply 5 by x. So we write 5x. Twice 11 means 2 times 11. We can write it also like double of 11. So we write 2 times 11. Here we need to evaluate the expression. So if we have 10 minus 6, which means that we have to put 10, and we put the sign minus, and we put 6, and then we evaluate, you get 4. Here we have 2 cubed, which means that 2 to the power of 3. In expanded form, it's 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. Here we have twice 12, which means that it's 2 times 12, and the answer is 24. 11 increased by 5. Increased means that 5 is added to the 11, which means that it's 11 plus 5, and the final answer is 16. Here we have 6 times 10, which means that it's 6 multiplied by 10. Times means multiplication. So 6 times 10 is 60. 4 times 8 is 32, which is 4 multiplied by 8, and the final answer is 32. And I think we are done for now. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you like the video, don't forget to like and share, and welcome to Math for Fun, and bye for now.